Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to make a beautiful and super easy round Christmas coaster that's perfect for beginners. It works up very fast and looks lovely for Christmas table decor. Let's get started. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 3.5mm crochet hook to make this today. Let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we are ready with our magic ring. And in the first round, I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2. And then I'm going to make 14 double crochets inside this magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Just like that, I'm going to complete another 13 double crochets. So this is the second double crochet of the round. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big, so that we can just pull this tail a little to make it smaller. And continue. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. After completing 14 double crochets into the magic ring, I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet here to join the round. With that, we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And if you count carefully, you can see that we have 14 stitches around. And then get started with the second round. Chain 2, 1 and 2. And then I'm going to work 1 increase into the very first stitch over here. That is the base stitch of the chain 2. And I'm going to go ahead and work 2 single crochets into the same base stitch as an increase. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is an increase. Just like that, I'm going to work 2 double crochets into each one of the next stitches as well. 1 and 2. Again 1 and 2. Like that, just continue until the end of the round. Now I have completed 14 increases all around, and then I'm going to go ahead and work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet to join the round. With that, we have completed our second round as well. This is what it looks like. Now if you count, you need to have 28 stitches all around. Let's get started with the third round. Chain 2, and then go into the very same base stitch and work a double crochet. Again, go into the second stitch here and work 2 double crochets as an increase. 1 and 2. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat all around the work. A double crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again, repeat the pattern. A double crochet and an increase. 1 and 2. Again, a double crochet and an increase into the next stitch. Just like that, we will repeat the pattern until the end of the row. This is the end of the round 3, and then I'm going to join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet to join, and now we have 42 stitches around. And then let's get started with the fourth round. Chain 2 and then work 1 double crochet into the same base stitch, and then an increase into the second stitch. So 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 double crochets into the second stitch. Again, 1 double crochet into the third stitch. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat all around. So work 1 double crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch, 1 and 2. And then another double crochet into the third stitch. So 1, 2, 1. Just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round 4, and I'm gonna go ahead and work a slip stitch to join the round 4 as well. Now we have 56 stitches around, and then get started with the 5th round. Chain 2 and work a double crochet into the very same base stitch, and then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches as well. So 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the stitch after that, and then work an increase into the next stitch. There we are going to work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat. 1 double crochet into each one of the first 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and then an increase into the 4th stitch, 1 and 2. Again, repeat the pattern. 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then an increase into the next stitch, 1 and 2. Just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round 5. This is what it looks like, and at the end of round 5 we need to have 70 stitches all around, and I'm going to work the beautiful outline after this round. So for that I'm going to change the color into red. So here we will insert the hook into the stitch on top of the very first double crochet to work the slip stitch, and then I'm going to take the red yarn to complete the slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the slip stitch by changing the color into red, and then chain 1. Now we will work over both these tails on this round, and then go ahead and work a single crochet into the very same base stitch. So insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. After that I'm going to work a slip stitch into the base single crochet here. So I'm going to insert the hook into both these loops of the single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and again pull through this loop, and then go into the very next stitch and work a single crochet. Now this is the pattern to repeat until the end of the round. I will show you once more. Go into the next stitch and work a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we will work a slip stitch into the base single crochet here. So insert the hook into both the loops of the single crochet, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Again go into the next stitch and work a single crochet, and then I'm going to leave a little tail of the green yarn and cut it off. And then continue the pattern. So work 1 single crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch into the base single crochet here, again 1 single crochet into the next stitch. That is the pattern. Again 1 single crochet, chain 3 and a slip stitch into the base stitch, again 1 single crochet into the next stitch, again 1 single crochet, chain 3 and a slip stitch, again another single crochet. Just repeat the pattern all around. This is the end of the round 6, and then I'm gonna leave a long tail and cut the yarn off. After that we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail. First of all, we will join the round into the very first single crochet here, and again go ahead and insert the needle into the last single crochet to join like this, and then run the tail in a few stitches to hide the tail like this. And with that, we have completed our coaster, and this is what the final project will look like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy Christmas coaster tutorial. If you make it, please share your photos. I love seeing all your beautiful creations. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner friendly crochet patterns. Happy crocheting and Merry Christmas!